So there's a new popular game called Fall Guys, and I thought it'd be a fire-ass idea to make a crazy drawing about it. The style of art in the game is just so cool and colourful, so I saw it as the perfect opportunity to make an awesome drawing. In this one I'm going to be making a full-page doodle with a bunch of Fall Guys combined with my doodles. And make sure to watch the entire video to see how I did it. As usual, the first step in making a drawing for me is the sketching, so let's get our pencils and get started. Now that I've started drawing, I realize that this one is going to be huge. And with that, the sketch is all done, and that means we can now move on to the inking. Just before I start, since you guys seem to ask me in every single one of my videos, the fine liner I use is the Pentel Pocket Brush Pen. Alright, let's just get on with the inking. For the inking, I'm going to be drawing the smoothest lines I can possibly with the shrimpy fine liner. If you want to be able to do this too, make sure to cop one. Link in the description. I just finished all the fine lining of the Fall Guys, and now we're gonna ink the doodles. Man, it's taking far too long. After a half a day of work, the inking is all complete. But I'm feeling hella drained, so I'm gonna play a bit of Fall Guys with my good friend QUIL.
Oh, hello.
Yo!
What's up, bro?
What's up? Oh yeah, this level's pretty chill. I'm at the back. Hello! No, keep going! Hey!
No, come no!
You got it?
No!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Oh my god, I was 40 again! It was all fun and games until we ran into this player.
It's gonna end the variety of ways. What the? Do you see that guy? He's flying away!
Why do you have to...
There's a hacker!
Oh shit, no!
Oh my... No! What is that?
I'm going to kill you. Oh no!
No, not this level, not this level. Oh my... Oh my... Oh my... Hey,
So after me and QUIL won 83 games each, it was time to color. So let's go. In this one, I'm going to be using pretty much every color except for ugly green and ugly brown. The characters are all done, so now let's move on to the background and then finish it off with the doodles. Okay, I've now spent just after half a day on the Fall Guys drawing, and I'm feeling so hungry. So let's get something to eat. Yummy, yummy.
You know I get a ballin', money in my pocket, no I'm no stranger to ballin'. No life for you.
Let's just get back into it. Alright, the drawing is nearly done, and let's just finish it off by colouring all the doodles. For the doodles, I'm going to be colouring them in a rainbow sort of wave, so hopefully that looks good.
No stranger to ballin', no life for you, gamble, but I promise that I'm all in. Yeah, all in, yeah, I'm in. Up in the door, opportunity knock, ding dong, I'm here. Let's talk, let's get it. New red Gucci coat, feel like Paul Revere. They saying, Gollin, what's your name? Rapper of the year. I've been wildin', ain't no stylist. No one tell me.
Hey, the drawing is all done. I'm so happy with it. Thank you all for watching and enjoy the reveal.